Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today we're going to do a Halara unboxing and try on haul. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you might want to go ahead and subscribe so you can see Halara unboxing videos every month from now until December. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. A big shout out to Halara for working with me on these videos so that I can show you guys their new items every month. For size reference, I'm going to be trying on the extra smalls and I am 5'2", about 115 pounds. Shall we go ahead and get into it? The first item is this casual workout skirt. It's actually it's a skirt. It has these stretchy type of workout shorts underneath and then the lighter type of workout fabric on top, and it is a skirt. So I thought this would be perfect for a casual look. Oh, this is so cute and comfortable. It just fits perfectly. By the way, this tank top is also a Halara tank top from one of my other videos. I swear it feels like I'm wearing nothing, and I love that it has little pockets in the front and a little tie. And I feel like particularly for white bottoms, it's always difficult to find whites that won't show through, but the fact that these have shorts underneath, it makes it so much easier to style and just throw on. Especially you don't have to worry about being on your period and wearing your grandma panties. Like I'm wearing lime green underwear right now and you cannot see them. This is just the perfect skirt. I love it. I'm excited to just throw this on this summer. So Halara has also recently released a lot of gingham prints, which I am obsessed with. I feel like this is the cutest little skirt for summer. It's gonna be so comfortable, I already know. The buttons, the green gingham, I literally can't. This is so cute. Let's put it on. This skirt is definitely a lot more form-fitting. It feels more like a day-wear skirt than a workout skirt, but it is still very comfortable and so cute. It fits absolutely perfect. I just love this print and the color and the two little buttons. They're just so cute. And it zips up in the back right here. So super easy to put on. This next item, I feel like I had fall and summer in mind because this is a cute little cream corduroy skirt. And I feel like I could style it in summer and fall, you know, wear some little tights. Oh, this would just be so cute for fall. But then again, the cream neutral is perfect for summer and it just looks like the perfect little skirt. This skirt also zips up in the back. The corduroy fabric feels so soft and stretchy, like I don't feel super confined in this. And once again, I feel like you can get away with wearing whatever underwear you'd like, even with it being a light cream color. Wow, you can really style this skirt anyway. And I love the fact that it's a skirt, so you don't have to worry about flashing anyone. Oh, it's just so cute and comfortable. I love the neutral look. I told myself it would be really easy to pick a favorite today, but I'm so torn already. I love everything that I've tried on. This next item I got because I've been going on jogs every morning. Well, not every morning. I've been going on jogs most mornings at this local park. And I just thought these were the cutest little running shorts. They just look so simple and I love the color. However, I am noticing these are very lightweight running shorts and they don't have the stretchy material underneath the flowy material. So I feel like these are definitely good if you want breathable shorts. However, I feel like I might need to wear a thong with these because I don't know. Well, let's see, because I'm wearing kind of some grandma panties right now. These are so freaking comfortable. I feel like I definitely would need to wear a thong because you can kind of see. They do not have pockets. This is very just free-flowing shorts. Same with those last two skirts that I just tried on. Those did not have pockets either. But yeah, I think we might need a thong with this. What do you guys say? Or I feel like these could be really cute for layering, you know, like put a pair of tight spandex shorts underneath and then kind of put these on top. You know what would be really cute? Like some pink tight ones underneath these, kind of like watermelon, you know? Oh my gosh. That would be really cute. Now I kind of want to, maybe my next Halara order, I'll find some tight pink shorts to put under these because Now I'm stuck on that. I'm stuck on that. But these will be real nice once it gets to that really hot part of summer, which it's basically there. And I'm trying to jog outside and not trying to like have my clothes be really tight and, you know, not breathable. You want to be able to breathe. By the way, I'm trying to go in categories, so I'm starting off with the shorts / skirts that are short because I'm kind of just showing that angle. And then I'm going to show the long skirts and tanks and all of that. So anyway. Oh, this next item, I feel like I just have to put it on, but it's like super cute and girly and comfy. I just feel like they're the cutest little just casual going out or like cozy. Oh, how cute and feminine. These are technically shorts, but it kind of looks like a skirt because of this front tie part. It has the ruffling detail along all the edges. You can kind of see a panty line because these shorts are cotton, but they are so cute and cozy. Honestly, these are just like the perfect, like you're just wanting to go somewhere comfortably, but also look cute and girly, but not like too overdone. I just feel like this is just so cute. These definitely feel like they fit a little looser. Like it's just very comfortable. Okay, so I kind of forgot about these, but these are some beautiful yellow spandex running shorts. They have pockets on the side. You know what we have to do. We have to layer these with the green shorts. It's not pink, but I feel like it's still gonna be cute. It's gonna be like a lemon lime type deal, you know? First off, we're trying them on by themselves. Super cute. They're a little tight so you can see a panty line, but not necessarily the color, I don't think. Love the pockets. I also got these for my park jogs. So cute and comfortable. Now let's see what it looks like layered with the lime green shorts. I don't know if these are long enough because I also got these in a short size. Okay, what the heck? This is so cute. I love this layering look. Like you have the little yellow peeping. I feel like it would look even cuter with maybe like a little bit longer of shorts. And I still kind of stand behind the pink and the green, but the yellow and the green are cute too. Very cute. So I actually picked these cute little shorts out because my sister came to my house and was like, look at my Halara haul. And she pulled these out, but she got them in the purple, I believe. It's basically like a little frilly skirt and it's just super comfortable. It's that cotton, what is this ribbed material? The ribbed cotton. Once again, just a super comfortable cotton bottom that you can throw on that's super cute and girly. Look at that, the little skirt part is just popping out. So it's just like boop, you know, like the little like booty pop. These are so freaking cute. I feel like such a girl. And it's just so comfortable. I feel like you can lounge in these, work out in these, or like dress it up. So freaking cute. I've kind of been slacking on the shake test in these. So these neck shorts are linen material and they just scream beach vacation to me. Which I've already gone on my beach vacation for the year. I don't know if I'm going to another beach this year. It may happen, who knows. But these are too cute. They have this little detailing. I don't know if you can see in the front. They have pockets and these fit a little longer so you don't feel like you're falling out of them. I feel like these are the perfect like beach cover-up shorts. Like put it over your bikini. They're definitely a little bit see-through. That's why I feel like they'd be perfect for a bikini cover-up because, you know, you can still kind of see your bikini through it and it's not a huge deal. Versus if you're trying to style these on the day-to-day, you definitely need to go with a light-colored thong. But OMG, these are so cute and so comfortable. I love them. I love them. This is the last item in the short skirts / shorts category. This skirt is made with an eyelet fabric. It's cotton and it has the little spandex shorts underneath. This is so freaking cute and I'm gonna admit the color that I wanted was out of stock. The white is very gorgeous, but wait till you see the butter yellow. I think it's called butter yellow, but it is so cute. If they come in stock with it again, I'm gonna have to get it because I have a feeling this is gonna fit very nicely and I love this girly eyelet look. It's like, just imagine just pairing this with a cute little tank top. Oh yeah, she fits perfect. She fits so comfortably. We'll do the little shake test. But wow, it just feels so comfortable with the shorts underneath and I love the eyelet fabric. I feel like this is just the perfect casual little skirt to throw on with the tank top. So cute and feminine. Okay, so the next category is tank tops, and there's only 2 of those, so we're just gonna get that one out of the way. This has a rose detailing right here, and it's kind of like a workout tank top, and it's kind of scrunched on the sides. It's like elastic. So I feel like this would be the perfect cute yoga top if you go to yoga classes and you're trying to look extra cute. This is actually the only item that I got in a size small instead of extra small. And that's just because I feel like in my previous orders, don't get me wrong, everything fits perfectly, but some tank tops are just slightly tight at times. So I was just like, let me bounce between a small and an extra small and just see how this feels. And honestly, for this particular style, I think I'm glad I got it a size up just because all of this tank definitely feels a bit more loose and comfortable and like there's room for growth, but it doesn't feel as like snatched as I feel in the other ones. But since this is meant for like working out, or honestly, like I thought it would look more like a workout tank top and I wouldn't be able to get away with styling it otherwise, but I feel like this could totally be styled up. This could be workout or casual. Like, it's not too obviously workout. And usually like one strap tank tops bother me, but I feel very comfortable in this. Like it feels good, it feels good. So here's the full 360. What do we think? I think it's super cute. Okay, so the next tank top is kind of like a little twist neck. So I'm a little nervous to try to put this on and figure it out, but we're gonna do it. And it's just that ribbed cotton material. And this one, oh, this one's in a size small too. Okay, yeah, maybe I got both the tanks in smalls. Yeah. Okay, what the heck? This is actually really cute. I don't know why I was a little skeptical about this one just because of this. I didn't know if it would actually like fall right and look right, but wow, I freaking love. This is so cute, and if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with this color. But I will admit for the sizing, since this is a small, not an extra small, it does feel a little loose, like in an uncertain way, because this is such a revealing tank top. I feel like I'd want it a little tighter, you know? But at the same time, I'm like, if this was an extra small, like would this be like hard to like, I don't know, would it be too tight? I don't know. It's like, I feel like I'm in between an extra small and a small. Like, the extra smalls fit nice and snatched and feel very secure versus the smalls feel very like loose and comfortable but still fit, you know? It's just for this one particularly, since it's backless, I feel like maybe I could have gone with extra small to kind of like make that feel like it's not falling down. That's my only concern. But maybe if I throw it in the dryer, it'll shrink a little. But wow. This is just, I'm obsessed. I was really uncertain if it would give that look that I was hoping it would give, but this is so cute. Once again, just a cute casual thing to throw on. It actually looks really good with the little eyelet skirt that I'm wearing. Okay, let's get into the long skirt and pants category. Okay, I can't help but start with these because I'm the most excited about these. These are little orange gingham pants. They're like pajama pants, but you can also dress them up or whatever. They're just so cute. I'm so excited. Stop it right now. These fit perfectly. I was so worried they would be way too long on me because these are long pants and I'm 5'2", so I'm very pleased with how these are fitting me right now. So freaking cute. They're very baggy, but I just love these. Like with a cute tight tank top, like this is just so fun summer casual. Like I just love it. It's perfect for a coffee date or lounging or just like dressing up for a picnic. Like this is just, these are so cute. Let's get the back, let's get the butt. The next item is this gorgeous champagne maxi skirt. I feel like you can really style this any time of the year and you don't have to worry about it being wrinkly because it's this type of material. I don't know what this is, but it's just so stunning. Like, let's just put it on. I literally feel like a Bridgerton character in this. Like, this is just one of those really elegant skirts that, wow, like this is stunning. The way this falls. I just love this. Like, look at that material. And I haven't mentioned Halara's quality yet in this video, but their quality always feels so good. And this little elastic band isn't super tight. It's very comfortable. There's nothing itching on the inside like you might think. Very soft and comfortable. I know sometimes shimmery materials can be itchy, but this is just so soft and silky. This is also very cute. It's a long maxi skirt, but it is slit in the front so you can kind of see your legs. I definitely need to steam this before wearing. It is a little wrinkly. Obviously, it was just shipped to me in the mail all bundled up. Oh wow, this is super cute. It doesn't quite have as much material as the last one, so this is lighter. I feel like you don't want to wear the maxi skirt that I just had on really hot days, but this would be more of a hot day summer skirt. This next maxi skirt is very similar, but different. This one just has ruffles all throughout it instead of a slit in the front. Oh, I am loving this blue color. Don't get me wrong, my wish list for the summer has been a skirt just like this, but in white. And I don't think they had a white one, but wow. This blue color is so gorgeous. It actually matches my nails perfectly. I'm actually going flower picking this weekend, so I might wear this because this is just so cute. It does not have pockets, neither did that last one. I don't think any of these long skirts had pockets. But oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I love this. These are so cute. Okay, I wasn't sure if these would fit the way that I thought they would, but oh my gosh. Look at these. Obviously, you know I love this color. I'm basically blending in with the wall behind me, but are these like long summer pants if you've ever seen long summer pants? Like the color, the fit, the style. What? They even look good in the butt. They have pockets in the front. It even has a cute little button, which most of Halara's pants don't have zippers and buttons. But personally, I prefer that. And so I did find these that have the zipper and the buttons. And like, wow. I might get another pair of these because they had these in like a million colors, I think. And they were super cute, fun, summery colors. And these are just so comfortable and like lightweight for summer. Wow. Okay, I'm very pleased with how everything fits. I feel like sometimes I see stuff in stores and I think it's gonna fit a certain way and then you try it on and it looks nothing like what you would think it would. But the thing about Halara is it always looks how I think it would or better. They are so comfortable and even the extra small doesn't feel super tight. Like I feel like I can move. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's Halara unboxing haul. If you'd like to stay updated on what's new with Halara, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for a new Halara video every month and other videos from myself. If you are planning a Halara order, don't forget to use my discount code. Get 15% off with the code RANDY15. That's Randy with an I. Don't spell it with a Y, okay? You're not gonna get 15% off if you spell it with a Y, okay? And thank you again to Halara for working with me on this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.